Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to teach us how to get your year-on-year growth using Excel tool. All right, you can actually still get your year-on-year growth in Power BI, but I want to show us how I get my year-on-year growth percentage in Excel. So this is the furniture analysis data set, yeah, that I already cleaned in my Power Query. Okay, so now I want to insert my pivot table. So I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to choose from the pivot from this range here, new sheet. Okay, so I want my KPI now. So I'm just going to merge, let's merge this. Okay, I'm going to go to home. I'll choose merge. Okay, take it up. Okay, so I have to take it up. Merge and center, and then I give it a color fill. Let's give it this. And I type now key performance indicator. Enter. Okay, I can just make this bigger. Bold 20. Okay, yeah. So I already have my sales quantity and profit. So I'm going to drag that in. Okay, so I want to copy this out. Control C, Control V. Okay, and now I want to add my year. Okay, so I'm going to choose ship date. Is it ship date or order date? Let's do order date. Okay, we're going to use order date for this. So I want to take out this month. I want to take out this date and also order date. All right, so we have this 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. So now my key performance indicator here, I'm going to start here. Um, let's put, let's type out sales, quantity, um, profits. Okay, right here we put total amount. Okay, current current year, CY. Okay, previous year, PY. Okay, and then year on year growth. Okay, let's add, yeah, YoY percentage close brackets, hit enter. So for our sales, we have okay, profits. This is profits, not just spelled out. Okay, so our total amount for is this. I'm going to equals to for sales. I'm just going to equals to enter that, equals to for quantity, enter that, for profit, come here, equals to hit on the sum of profits and enter. Then for current year, our current year will be 2017, right? So I'm going to enter equals to, and I'm going to pick for sum of sales, I'm going to choose 2017 here. And then for quantity equals to, come to quantity here, hit on the cell, enter. And for profit equals to same 2017, please hit on enter. And then for previous year, I'm going to choose 2016. Okay, that's the year before the current year. All right, so previous year I'm going to choose equals to 2016. For sales, I'm going to choose the hit on the cell, enter, equals to hit on the next, which is quantity, enter, equals to hit on the next, which is profit, and enter. Then to get your year-on-year growth, is going to be current year. You enter your equals to open bracket, you hit on this current year, okay, minus previous year, okay, close bracket, divide by previous year. You hit on enter. All right, so equal, let's do it one more time, equals to open bracket, your current year, okay, minus your previous year, close bracket, divide by your previous year. Is that right? Okay, we have to add divide by previous year. Okay, perfect. And then you go to equals to again. You can just drag, okay, but I just want us to get it. That's why. Open bracket, current year minus previous year, close bracket, divide by your previous year. Okay, and you hit enter. So that's it, guys. Let's convert this now to percentage. Just a percentage. You can drag down. That works. Okay, percentage, and this, come here and also click on home and click on percentage. So that's it. So that, guys, that's how to get your year-on-year growth rates, using Excel. So now let's make this stand out. Okay, so let's use conditional formatting now. You go to home, conditional formatting, let's choose color scale. Okay, so I want to choose perfect. So minus 57 is poor. All right. So let's choose this. Perfect. So now you want to, let's name here items. Okay. And then you want to highlight this. Control B, Control Z. Let's go back. Okay. And then you want to bold it. You want to increase the font size. And then you want to give it a color fill. What fill should you give to it? So it's up to you whatever color you want to give to it. Key performance indicators. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at this color. Perfect. Okay, I want to increase this. Perfect. So these are my items, total amount, current year, previous year. You want to expand this to see previous year, total amount. Yeah, guys. So that's how to edit your work to make it stand out more. So to make this dynamic, we are going to use a function in Excel. Okay, equals to if function, and we're going to enter this cell, this year-on-year growth rate, and then we say if it's greater than 0, comma, then we want to use a drop down or an up arrow. So we are going to go to insert and we'll go to symbols, choose the symbols. Okay, so if it's greater than 0, we want it up, and click on insert, and then choose. If it is not, then you want it down, click on insert. Okay, and then close, and then come back here and enter your double quotation, comma, open the quotation again for the drop down arrow, double quotation, and you close bracket, and you enter, and you want to add a text to it. So you type out text, choose the display text, double click, okay, and choose ABS. Okay, double click, and then you click on the year-on-year growth percentage again, double click on it. Okay, and then comma, double quotation mark, 0%, double quotation mark, yeah, close bracket. Okay, enter your and, okay, and then year on year, double quotation mark, we need double quotation mark for it, double quotation mark, then YoY, double quotation mark again, and let's see, too many arguments for this. Okay, already close. Okay, we didn't close this bracket. We're supposed to close this bracket. Sorry. Close bracket, yeah, and then click on enter. So here you go. You have the arrow looking upward, okay, and then you just need to drag down. So now let's format this because it's a positive year-on-year growth. So let's change it to green. So we choose green. Okay, because is also a positive year-on-year growth. We choose green, and then this is negative. Okay, there's a loss here, so we choose red. Okay, guys, that's it. All right. Bye.